Be aware, wash with care.
Introduction. To stop the spread of diseases, washing hands is crucial. It removes bacteria and germs, keeping you healthy. In our project, we'll compare the efficiency of washing hands for 10 or 20 seconds to clear bacteria. This experiment aims to promote better hand sanitization habits and determine the optimal hand washing duration. Problem. How long do we actually need to wash our hands? Hypothesis. 20 seconds was being widely advertised by the CDC as the optimal duration for hand washing, but we hypothesized that 10 seconds would be enough to clean hands effectively. Our materials include agar plates, a stopwatch, a camera, water, soap, sterile cotton swabs, an incubator or a room heater.
The first step of our procedure was visiting a supermarket and touching various surfaces. Our second step was collecting a sample of unwashed hands using a sterile cotton swab. Our third step is rubbing the swab on the sterile agar plate and sealing it. One of us washed their hands with soap and water for 10 seconds. We then collected a sample from the washed hands using a swab and plated it on a sterile agar plate. The next step was the other person washed their hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. Then, again, collecting a sample from the washed hands of person 2 using a sterile cotton swab and plated it on a sterile agar plate, ensuring that the plates are kept at a temperature of about 80 degrees Fahrenheit. We used a room heater. Wait 24, 48, and 72 hours and then take a picture of the results. Then the last step was touching various surfaces at our school and repeating steps 2 to 9. Our results. As seen on the first graph, bacterial graph at different hand washing times, the blue, which is no washing, our hands has significantly is more larger than 20 seconds and 10 seconds. As you see on the pie graph, the average number of bacterial colonies, the blue, which is no washing, is significantly bigger than 20 seconds and 10 seconds.
Our conclusion. Determining the optimum length of time for hand washing is difficult because few studies about the health impacts of altering hand washing times have been done. Nonetheless, evidence suggests that washing hands for at least 20 seconds removes more germs from hands than washing for shorter periods. After comparing our hand washing durations, our experiment concludes that washing hands for 20 seconds significantly reduced bacterial contamination compared to 10 seconds, emphasizing the importance of longer hand washing for optimum hygiene and disease prevention. Although our experiment checked for bacterial growth only, the same principle can be applied to viral growth. The optimum length of time for hand washing is also likely to depend on many factors, including the type and amount of contamination on the hands and the setting of the person washing hands. For example, surgeons are likely to come into contact with disease-causing germs and risk spreading serious infections to vulnerable patients, so they might need to wash their hands longer than someone preparing their own lunch at home. Definitions: sterile, free from germs. Incubator, a heated, insulated box, in our case a room, used to grow and maintain microbiological culture. Agar plates, a thin layer of nutrient gel in a petri dish used to grow bacteria and fungi. Plating, the process of distributing bacteria evenly over the surface of an agar plate medium.
Thank you for listening to our project.